Hi, we're Team Neptune and we're building a cap table management SaaS tool. If we look at the pain points, most companies offer shares to their VCs and employees, but accounting of these shares is done on Excel sheets and it is very slow and clunky. Neptune provides a dashboard to the company's executives for visualizing the entire cap table. Next slide, please. We have two user personas. First is the executive of the company and second is an employee of the company. Next slide, please. The way it works is that we have a database where executives can read or write the shares owned by different employees, whereas employees can only see what shares they own. Next slide, please. In terms of the business model, we'll have a freemium model with free basic features and paid premium features. Next slide, please.
I'm going to be summarizing the different innovation factors that we've achieved with Neptune. So one of the main driving changes for the product is that all bookkeeping is digital now, and we want to sort of make sure we stick to that. In terms of the market here, we're basically targeting a lot of VC companies, VC-funded companies, startups, and big companies. They can all use our tool. In terms of product innovation, we also want to make sure that we have a proper dashboard and automated management. And in terms of the technology behind it, we want to make sure that it's a very sleek UI with a very rigorous database. Next slide, please. In terms of the news value creation, there are different aspects to this. One is we want to improve the UX, and another aspect is that it's going to be mostly low intensity usage because people are not going to use it too much after they set it up. In terms of the edge that we have first mover advantage and we have a very good UX. Another aspect is that we want to make sure we stick to the freemium model so we get more recurring revenue. Next slide, please. So differentiation factor, Kata is a competitor, but they have a slow UX and we want to make sure that ours is better. And our freemium model is also a differentiator.
We now move on to the demo of the project. We allow the users to either sign up or sign in. So first we'll show sign up. When a user is signing up, they provide basic details like their email, their name, their password, what company they're associated with, and most importantly, their role. Each company only has one executive and it can have any number of employees. So we show how an employee signs up. When an employee signs up, they're able to view the tokens they have in the company, which is shown as their stake. And the percentage also shows them what portion of tokens they have in totality. They then log out.
So we now show the view of an executive, and the executive can see all the employees of the company. And they can also view the stakes and the percentage stakes. They also have the functionality to edit the stake of an employee. So let's say we edit the stake for the newly added employee. This also changes the percentage stake that the employee has. This view is also reflected in the user's account, in the employee's account, and we can check in the account of the newly added user if this is reflected or not. So we see that the percentage stake and the stake has changed. This is all for the demo. Thank you.